Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access the device's Play Store and click on the search bar. Then install your new default apps. I will go with Opera Mini browser. When it's ready, you need to click on Devices Settings. In Settings, click on Apps section over here and select Default Apps. Now you need to click on one of those options. I will go with Browser app. Click on an app that you wish to set up, in my case Opera Mini, and click on the Back button. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!